Hello everybody and welcome to Play with Ivy. My name is Ivy and today we're going to be doing a Play with Me for the second week of January, and we're going to continue our magical winter month with these Michael's stickers. These are just featuring these girls and they're having some fun in the snow, and I've actually had some fun in the snow recently because it finally snowed in Maryland after so long of basically not seeing a whole bunch of snow. It finally snowed and I was actually able to take some bomb Instagram pictures of the snow, so that felt really good. And so I'm going with this very snowy theme. I have some very colorful washi, not my usual color scheme, but I think it looks really cute together. Got some pens and I got some plans to put together. I plan on having another very productive week and I plan on talking to you guys more about it in this week's talk through portion. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I had a lot of subscribers just join. Happy to have you. My name is Ivy. I am a planner here on YouTube. I occasionally make some art videos and I plan on making more content here about being more eco-friendly and being more creative and things that will help you plan to do what you love to do more often. And so I hope you'll stick around to see what I have coming up. And without further ado, let's get planning. And welcome to this week's talking portion. If you've been around for a while and are just seeing this portion for the first time, basically this year I want to talk more during my plans made, so I thought I would insert these little videos after the fact of me filming them so I can still have like my chill planning time but still be able to talk to you guys. And so for this week I want to create a planner spread that showed you guys a mixture of Michael's and leftover stickers. And so I used the leftover stickers from the storybook spread that I did the previous week. And especially because those colors match perfectly. And so this just shows you guys you can make a really cute spread using Michael stickers and then using your leftover stickers. So if you do buy some like stickers from Etsy, you can still use them and just like add them to different spreads so the kit lasts you even longer. And so that's a great way to like budget a little more with sticker planning, especially because I need to budget more this year. But during this week I just focused on making some extra content for you guys. Like this Friday I have a vision board video coming out and I'm so happy for you guys to see it because my vision board turned out so cute, so I'm really excited for you guys to see the process of it. I'm also working on taking extra pictures for Instagram and also writing more because one of my goals this year is to write more. And also, I'm just trying to be productive in other ways. For example, cleaning. I'm trying to be more clean this year. And so basically cleaning my rooms. And also trying to like focus more on exercising and stuff like that. It's something that I'm really trying to do this year.
Places that I've never been. I saw it in your
also wanted to ask you guys 2 questions this week. First of all, what day are you guys more likely to watch YouTube videos? Just so I know if I need to change my upload schedule, just so you guys are able to watch the videos and you don't have to like watch them later on. You know exactly when they're happening. And also, what type of content would you guys like to see on my channel this year? Would you like to see more planning related videos? Would you like to see more art videos, more sustainability videos? Like, what do you guys want to see this year? I just want to know, so tell me and comment down below.
Make me feel like I'm the one for you, like we're real. Kiss me, touch me, and hold me down. This is love, love we
You guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. I think this spread turned out so cute. The color scheme is very unique and very cute together. I think after that mid-century kit that I did last year, I'm more open to like more random color schemes. I think they really do look good together. If you're afraid of trying new color schemes, just test it out, see how it looks, because you never know how it's going to turn out at the end. And I really like the sidebar, like, let snow winter is here, because like I said, it finally snowed in Maryland after such a long time for me not seeing a whole bunch of snow, and I'm just so happy that I got to play in the snow for a little bit. And so I may take more Instagram pictures. I may try to make a snow angel. Probably not gonna happen, but I heard it's supposed to snow again this weekend, so hopefully we get more snow. I'm really excited about that, and I'm hoping that this is going to be a very productive week for me. I have a lot of stuff that I'm working on for you guys, and a lot of stuff I want to get done for myself, so we'll see where this week takes us. Tell me what you guys are doing this week to be productive, and comment down below how you're trying to achieve those goals, because this year is the year of productivity and we are going to be productive people. And I just want to say thank you to Jenny Taylor for commenting in one of my previous videos. Thank you so much for supporting my creative endeavors. It means a lot to me. And if you want to get a shout out in next week's video, don't forget to comment down below in this one. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we are continuing with our winter theme, and we're using this winter kit from the Glam Planner. This was her most recent subscription, and it's just a very winter feeling kit. I actually had another kit that I had planned to do this week, but I decided to switch things up when I saw this come in the mail because I just think it looks so cute. It even came with some foil overlays. I don't know if I'm going to use those, but I may incorporate them. We'll see in the play with me. But I think this is just a very cozy and very like so snowy kit, and I think this is going to look super cute in my planner. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. I have a lot of extra content coming up soon, including a vision board video that will be going up this Friday, because I want to show you guys what I'm doing with my vision board for this year, my first ever vision board. So if you're very excited to see that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!